When it comes to washing, the one thing you're trying to do is to scratch your car the least amount of possible. That's why you have things like a pressure washer, your 10-inch wash pad, your grit guards, your mega foam. Now, what happens if you don't have access to that? You want to wash your car, but you can't use your pressure washer, you can't use a garden hose. Use Adams Polish's Hoseless Wash. This is a product and a process that gets you a safe wash without the need of a pressure washer or a garden hose. Adams Polish's Hoseless Wash has advanced lubricants that encapsulate dirt particles, making it safer to remove from the finish, reducing the chance for swirl marks and wash-induced scratches. Now, there's a few different ways you're going to use Hoseless Wash, but the main way is to perform a Hoseless Wash method, or traditionally what it would be called is the Gary Dean wash method. You're going to fill a 5-gallon bucket up with about 3.5 to 4 gallons of water. Then you'll put 3 to 4 ounces of the Hoseless Wash in there, and then you will submerge double soft towels, 6 of them, to make them as saturated as possible with that solution. Another thing I like to do is I dilute down the Hoseless Wash into a dilution bottle, create a waterless wash solution, and I pre-treat the car where the most soiled or the most dirt is on the car. Now you start your Hoseless Wash process, and as you use your double soft towels, when they get excess amounts of dirt and you folded them, you flip them over, and your towel is completely full of dirt, you set that aside. It is not something you're gonna put back into your bucket, because what we wanna do is get the dirt off of the car and away from the car. You don't wanna put it in the bucket, get it inside your Hoseless Wash solution, and then back onto the car. You're gonna use each one of those towels to remove all the dirt off of the car. Once it's done, you can go over the car with either the waterless wash solution you created or something like Adams Polish's CS3, which acts as a waterless wash but also has silica or SiO2 in it to finish off the car, dry it, even it out. Hoseless Wash is a unique product that allows you to essentially wash your car anytime, anywhere. Whether it's winter washing, you could perform a wash inside your garage without access to a garden hose or a pressure washer, or you could even do it in the parking lot of the hotel you're staying at on a long road trip. Either way, Hoseless Wash is going to achieve a clean car, reducing the chance for scratching without the need for a garden hose or a pressure washer.